Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 4152e printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup. I'm going to show you how to connect with the Wi-Fi network of your home and office. So you can do that within few minutes. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and enter it into the setup mode. For that we have to go to the control panel, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Don't release it, wait for the power button to flash. Release now and you will see this flashing will stop after some time and the blue light will start to flash on the printer. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. It's ready to connect. I have an iPhone here. Download HP Smart app from the App Store. So this is the HP Smart app, as you can see. So in this app you will see add printer button. So click on it. It will search for the available printers. Click on the setup a new printer. Go to your Wi-Fi network setting here. In the Wi-Fi you will see HP setup 4100 series. Click on it. Go back and open the HP Smart app again. Also turn on the Bluetooth. So go to the Bluetooth settings. Switch it on. Go back. Open the HP Smart app. It will search for the available Wi-Fi networks. You have to select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password and click on the continue. It's asking to press the information button on the printer. So press it once. It says to join, so click join. And you will get the confirmation here. Click on the continue button. Here we can see our printer is added in the app, so we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. You can finish the setup from here. You can join Instant Ink or HP account. I'll show you a scanning so that we can have a confirmation. To do the scanning, we have to place a document in the printer. So we can use the top feeder tray or we can use the flatbed. Once we are ready, we will click on the scan button. So scan is instantly appearing. So we can see the scan has arrived here. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi setup of this printer. It's very easy and we can easily connect with the home or office Wi-Fi network so that we can do the wireless printing and scanning. You can do it with the laptop, computer, MacBook or any tablet or Android phone. Thanks for watching.